This is a product video for PID PROSeries PROSQUEEGEE Lite. PROSQUEEGEE Lite comes in a unique sealed bag that has the product image on the front, and on the back, instead of product information, it has a description of the logic behind the tool. To open the bag, simply pull the tab on either side as it has preset release positions. The bag can be opened up and the PROSQUEEGEE Lite slid out. Instead of throwing the bag away, keep it so the PROSQUEEGEE Lite can have a place for safekeeping. The PROSQUEEGEE Lite is 4 inches wide and has the raised PROSeries logo as the grip. It is extremely conformable, which is what makes it particularly unique. The PROSQUEEGEE Lite complements the black PROSQUEEGEE, which is harder. The PROSQUEEGEE Lite also fits the PROBUFFERS, both dry and wet. When wrapping any type of vehicles, the PROSQUEEGEE Lite is ideal for moderate recessed areas of all shapes and sizes, as well as wrap films, especially ones with a sensitive face. The softness of the squeegee allows installers to flex it into the right shape for the area being applied. The freehand shifts the tension into the right direction, and the PROSQUEEGEE Lite seals the film onto the surface with just enough pressure to get the right contact point. This combination allows installers to use less heat during the install to conform the film, which can help it keep from overstretching, which is critical for long-term durability. On certain sections of the vehicle, like the side of this hood, there can be steep open-sided recessed areas. With a wet PROBUFFER on the PROSQUEEGEE Lite to protect the corners from scratching the film, it can be worked into this area in stages without heat. By not having to constantly grab a heat gun or torch, it helps create steady workflow that can lower install times as well as raise quality. Keep in mind that the PROSQUEEGEE Lite works well with thick or thin wrap films, and for corners on vehicle, the softness of the PROSQUEEGEE Lite can help create a strong corner game. Here, the film is rounded to this tricky area safely. A harder squeegee could split the film or overstretch it. Once the film has been set up properly, it's recommended to cut away the excess film with the Pro Knife and Pro Blade. For larger sections that have areas that are both flat and curvy, it's important to use both the PROSQUEEGEE and the PROSQUEEGEE Lite to get the best results. For flat areas, use the harder PROSQUEEGEE to ensure a full seal. Once the film is to a curvy section, switch to the PROSQUEEGEE Lite. This will help the film conform quicker and with no damage to the surface. It's all about making good choices, and the PROSeries combination of squeegees and buffers allows this. The key is to keep both squeegees close at hand so the installer can swap out as needed, and at a solid workflow pace. Easy transitions help ensure easy wraps and, most importantly, avoid costly reinstalls if panels get scratched or improperly installed. The PROSQUEEGEE Lite works very well for bumpers, which have a variety of compound curves and recessed areas. The softness of the PROSQUEEGEE Lite helps spread the film out evenly, which prevents it from bunching up. This can help avoid wrinkles or having to pick the film back up and heat it. On the edges, the PROSQUEEGEE Lite, in combination with some heat, can help seal tricky angles and corners. On certain sections of an install, like on the back window section, the PROSQUEEGEE Lite can help make for damage-free tucking, especially for matte films. This can ensure deeper coverage, especially for color change wraps. Do keep in mind that due to the softness of the PROSQUEEGEE Lite, on gaps with tight molding, it can distort the edge quickly. In these types of areas, the installer should switch to the harder PROSQUEEGEE. For more information and to purchase PROSQUEEGEE Lite, go to pidproseries.com. Once on the site, scroll to the top and click on Pro Tools. Then scroll down until you see the PROSQUEEGEE Lite image. Click on this and it'll take you to a site-specific page for the product where you can click on Purchase. This will take you to the page which has links to the distributors worldwide that sell the PROSQUEEGEE Lite. For additional information and questions, you can use the contact info on the site or on social media like Facebook and Instagram. This has been a product video for PID PROSeries PROSQUEEGEE Lite, proudly produced by the Rep Institute.